Jason Chapman here with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Right behind me we have a 2018 328 Super Sport by Monterey. Looking at the bow, we have a nice stainless steel anchor that is windlass as well. Looking at the hull of this boat, got a nice maroon on top. It goes into gray, and at the bottom the hull white. Let's go ahead and check out the stern of this boat. Got a really nice big swim platform right here. Also, you can tie your lines for all your water sports and skiing and tubing and wakeboarding. We've got dual inboard, outboard MerCruiser Bravo 3s. Let's go check out the interior of this boat. Welcome to the interior of this boat. If you lift up this hatch on the starboard side, got a nice swim ladder that deploys over the side. Up here, underneath this hatch, you have shore power when you're on the dock. Nice big seating right here with a seat back. If you're at anchor or if you're facing backwards to see what's happening. Up here at the tower, we have a upgraded sound system as well as subwoofers. Nice big entryway into this Monterey. Got freshwater rinse off right here on the port side. All your battery switches underneath here. Nice little kitchen top with a sink. And a spot for your drinks as well. And of course, you have to have a built-in refrigerator. Nice big seating that wraps around on the starboard side. 2 cup holders, a little compartment for your phones and gadgets, as well as a phone outlet charger as well. As we move forward, we've got great seating here with a seat back facing aft and one facing forward. At the helm, got a big nice chair for a captain and co-captain. With this bolster seat, you can sit right here and watch clearly what's going on at the bow and the sides and what's going on behind you. Nice gauges in front of you. Joystick control, easy to maneuver this boat in tight situations. Forward, backward, pivot, really nice feature. Got a windshield that closes with a windshield wiper if you need it. Over here, got a nice area for storage, pretty much like a mini galley. All right, over here on the starboard side, nice big head. Nice big open bow rider, got seating right here on the starboard side and the port side with armrest facing forward. So guys, come down to MarineMax in Rogers and check out this 2018 328 Monterey. Have a good day.